how to create Apple ID on Android. And on this video, we will see how we can create Apple ID on Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open a browser in your Android device. And in the search URL, type in appleid.apple.com. Then tap on search. Now, you will directly land on this page. Here, tap on the drop down next to Apple account at the top of this interface. So from this option, tap on the second one that says create your Apple account. Now, you will be taken into this page where it says create your Apple account. Here, so you have to fill in all this necessary information in order to create your Apple account or your Apple ID. So for here, first of all, type in your first name and then your last name. Under that, you have to choose your country or region. Tap on the drop down and then select your country. Now, you have to provide your date of birth. Tap on the date drop down and then provide your birthday. Select your month and a year. Under that, you have to provide your Gmail account. And then you have to create a password and make sure to read this small notice here before creating your password. Once done, confirm your password. After that, scroll down a bit and then you have to provide your phone number for the verification. So first of all, choose your country. Under that, enter your phone number. And then you have to choose a method to verify your account with either the text message or the phone call. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from here. Then keep on scrolling. Now you have to type in the character as displayed in the image. Once done, scroll down and then tap on continue. After that, you will receive a verification code in your mobile number that you have provided recently. So simply type in the correct verification code. Once you're verified, now you have successfully created your Apple ID and you can log in with the Apple ID in your iPhone. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.